Number 40488R. It's a 2011 Audi A4. It does have a key, it does not start. You can see the scratches on the front fender. Hood's no good. The radiator core support's no good. Passenger side front fender is no good. Passenger door is good. Passenger back door is no good. Bumper, it's no good. It's damaged. Quarter panel's good. Driver's side back door is good. Driver's side door is good. Driver's side front fender's got that problem. Steering wheel airbag is deployed. The driver roof airbag is deployed. The driver seatbelt is locked. It does have a key. It does not start. Glove box. Passenger side visor. This with the sunroof. Driver's visor. The rear mirror is missing. Again, this is stock number 40488R. It's a 2011 Audi A4. The key does not start.